circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by. There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky.
And I did this one with this hysterically funny Queenie guy from Sordid Digest. I don't know, I dropped my guard. Started being, you know, me. Suddenly we were just laughing, talking about Madonna's new red light video, you know, her new black hair. And had she had plastic surgery or not because she looked so great, or was it just her newfound spirituality and motherhood agreeing with her? Or just good lighting? Well, this is not a conversation that a couple straight men would be having. And he leaned into me and he said, "I'm glad you're one of us." I just looked at him and realized I had fucked up. So I put it back on, you know, the butch thing. And I said, "I don't know what you're talking about." And he just said, "That's okay. I understand." It's okay, I understand. Well, they do not understand down there.
Do you know what you're doing to me?
No.
I have a book deal pending on my success with you. Simon & Schuster. And you're my ace in the hole, Earl. If I can de-homosexualize you, I can de-homosexualize anyone. That'd mean my theory works, and I'd be famous. I'll be on talk shows. But you're not helping me, Earl.
Well, I tried. Did them stupid masturbation exercises. I can't help it if you don't float my boat. I walked right down that hall without my hair on. Everybody catcalling at me, making fun, just looking like some kind of a damn fool.
You always look like a fool.
Well, that's not very nice.
Nice. I don't give a shit about nice, Earl. I'm on a deadline. This has got to work so I can get the hell out of this shithole and get on Oprah. Is that so complicated? Is that too much to ask for? Can you just get that through your head? Or has the heat from all the wigs all these years caused you some kind of brain damage?
You're starting to scare me. I don't particularly care being called a fool. I need a tissue.
No. And don't start blubbering again because I am not in the mood.
Well, I just don't consider myself a fool, Dr. Eve. I consider myself a lot of things, but I do not consider myself a fool.
Oh, baby.
His name was Ben Flack. Guy from Sordid Digest. Ben just loved our show. Kind of became a friend of the cast. He'd come and hang out at the set and parties and stuff. But he stopped coming around, and my friend Bobby Eves, she played my fiance in the show. Won the Emmy. Because they killed me off. She got to play Grief for 6 months. Anyway, Bobby told me that Ben was sick. And he didn't want any of us to come to see him, so I sent him a card. Just telling him that I missed seeing him around, and just hoped he was feeling better. New meds. It won't work for everyone, you know? And he wrote me back. He said, Ty Williamson, you're a beautiful man. So talented. Your soul runs deep. And you ain't hard on the eyes either. I'm glad I knew you. Love, Ben. Glad I knew you. Past tense. And there was P.S. Come out wherever you are and get happy. But I can't. Because I care too much. Especially down there in Texas. Why do I care? Why the fuck do I care?
I'll tell you another thing I can't get off of my mind.
Oh, yeah.
That 1,100-pound man.
I swear to Christ, if you tell that one again, I'm going to beat you half to death.
They had to rescue him to his...
Put your hands on your head! Don't anybody make a move! Put down, move
Oh, Lita, what the hell you think you're doing, woman?
We just watched Thelma and Louise and we're pissed at men. All men, especially the three of y'all. Hey, Juanita.
Hey, Sugar, how you doing?
Evil, what'd I ever do?
You live and breathe, Odell, so just shut up and stop asking questions. We'll ask the questions, okay?
Okay.
You make me sick, GW. Just looking at you makes me want to kill you dead.
Come on, Lolita, now.
It's Thelma! I thought I was Thelma. No, Thelma's the one with the shitty husband. I shook hands over your head, GW. You too, Wardell! I mean it now!
Okay.
Well, hello there, Wardell.
Hi, Lavonda. You're looking good.
Yeah? Well, I'll work at it. So, you and your nitwit brother over there beat up any queers lately?
I ain't no nitwit.
Liar!
You all are drunk.
Oh, shit! I'm on Valium, too. 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209, 3209.
Lavonda, I feel real bad over that incident.
Oh, you feel bad. He feels bad. You feel bad he's rotting in a crazy farm because of you? Well, big deal, Wardell. It's time to get in.
That happened over 20 years ago.
I don't want to hear about it. So you just shut the hell up. And I mean it.
Okay, don't shoot.
I don't like this.
I don't know why you boys are peeing in your Wranglers. Them guns ain't loaded. And even if they was, they wouldn't have the gumption to shoot.
This shit. Oh, you sure did. That's a nice shot, Thelma. Thanks, Louise, but I was aiming for his head.
Now, come on, Lolita.
It's Thelma, you
Okay, Thelma then. Now, listen. I know I messed up, but what you gotta understand is that I wasn't exactly getting what a man needs at home.
What? I hope you're not going to try and justify your actions, GW, because, buddy boy, you don't have a leg to stand on, except them wooden ones. Oh, that's a good one.
We need to do not...
Shut up until I say otherwise, because I have something I got to say. Why'd you do it, GW?
See, that's what I'm trying.
Don't answer, Dad. Just think about it. Do you know what it feels like to be humiliated? Don't answer that. Just think about it. Well, I do. I can't even go out in my own hometown anymore because everyone knows. Everybody's out there pointing and whispering, there she is. Poor, pitiful Faith. Bless her heart. God, white trash even feel sorry for me.
That's true. That's very, very true.
I mean, everybody knows that you were carrying on my best friend's mother. And that could have really ruined me and Lavonda's friendship, you know? Did you think about that? Don't answer that, just think about it. But it didn't, and you know why? Because we're big enough not to let it.
You got that right.
No, he shouldn't have said that. What'd you say?
I said you're certainly big enough. Now, why do you think I did it? You got as big as a barn, and who the hell wants to climb that mountain?
I am on a diet, you asshole! That's it! Take off your shirt!
What?
Take off your damn shirt, I mean, and I'll pull your head right off.
Okay.
You two boys, take off your shirts.
What are you all doing?
Getting even. What the hell are you waiting on, Odell?
Okay.
Oh, that one too. Take off that one too.
Getting good.
What this is getting is ridiculous.
Ridiculous? You want to hear ridiculous? It's ridiculous for you to bitch about my weight when you go around looking like you're 6 months pregnant, GW. I mean, look at that gut, Lavonda. Lord, it's time to butcher that.